Hey guys, welcome back to the Profit Channel. Today we're going to talk about the wheat stocks. Usually we talk about crypto, all kinds of stocks, real estate. Soon I'm going to be doing a video on real estate, so look out for that. But yeah, hopefully this time, because a lot of you guys were complaining about like the sound. Uh, Man, I bought something from Amazon and it was some bootleg garbage that I actually like. I didn't cheap out. I paid a lot for, but it wasn't just good. I don't know. Maybe I have to play with the settings or something. But I hope this time I have my earbuds on. So let me know if this is better. Anyway, so let's talk about these marijuana stocks. Now, as you guys know, all kinds of commodities have cycles. So whether it be metal, gold, uh, any kind of like oil or whatever. So all of them have a cycle. So for a while, gold was all dead. No one was buying these minor stocks, um, and it was flat for like 5 years. And then all of a sudden, boom, 2020, 2021, they all popped. So same thing with marijuana. I think in 2017 it was a lot of hype behind it. A lot of people were buying a lot of it, and there were some bad characters, some bad companies, and some good companies. But they're all down. They're all marijuana stocks right now are down about 80 to 90%. Some examples are like TLRY. I seen TLRY. It was $27. Okay, within a month or so, this thing went from $27 to $300. Now, a lot of the institutions and big money were piling into it at those prices. Now, TLRY right now is under $4. Canopy Growth is under $4. ACB Aurora is also in under $2. That one is a garbage one because they did a reverse split and the management changed and it was like a whole scammy type of company. I wouldn't suggest that, obviously. I don't suggest anything on this channel that you guys should buy or sell or anything. I just express my opinions and what the moves I'm making. And then you guys decide for yourself after doing some research and due diligence. But these uh, wheat stocks right now, they're 80 to 90% down, like I said, and there's some really good companies out there that have like positive cash flow, like TLRY. So I just bought some TLRY recently, about a month ago or so, because it's just so cheap right now. I mean, this thing was $300. I don't expect it to go back to $300, but I do expect it to go back to like $20, $30 range, right? And right now is just such a good deal. And yes, it may be flat for a next year or so, but there will be a time where there will be an announcement, some kind of a news that all of the states have legalized recreational marijuana, and you will see another pop. Just like oil was flat for so long, gold was flat for so long, and you just experienced the oil market, and all the oil producers and companies that are involved with oil, they all popped. Like their share prices went really high. They are dropping right now because oil is coming down a bit from the peaks. But what the point is that there are companies, or sectors, I should say, that go through boom and bust. And right now, for marijuana, I believe we're in a flat situation. And there will be a time where there's going to be a boom. And this right now is a very good entry point, um, to hold those for like the next 5 years. So my investments usually are like, I have a 5 year horizon. Except oil, I think I bought the oil when that conflict happened, and then what I did is when it went to the peak, and then I sold my principal, kept half, and then as I seen it come down, I sold some, completely sold out, and then I invested into Palantir, obviously. If you guys watched my video, you know that transaction, and if you guys watched my video, you also know that I sold my truck. to put all that money into the stock market. And I've been putting money for the past um, I've been putting money for the past 5 years, but just lately I went really heavy in the past 6 months because I think this is a time where you can make generational wealth. And when everyone is in fear and people think everything is going to zero, that's when I start buying. So yeah, I want to keep this video short. If it's any if you guys like the video, please make sure you subscribe. Also hit that like button, because a lot of you guys watch my videos but there's not enough likes on this on any of the videos, so please make sure you do that. And I'll make sure to bring you guys more videos that are going to be beneficial for you. But yeah, go ahead and I'm myself, I invested in, I did buy um, a few marijuana stocks, but TLRY was the one that I went a little heavy on because I believe that they are the superior company that is already cash flow positive. So yeah, that's where I went heavy. But the rest of the stuff, there are some niche organic companies that I bought that I don't want to really even talk about right now. But in totality, in general, I think marijuana stocks are going to go through another boom, and right now would be a good time to buy it. That's what I did. You shouldn't be following my advice, but just use your own heads. All right, take care.